Here we go. Oh,
Yeah.
Hello. Hi. Oh, that was...
Great start.
I'm just gonna hang on.
Give him a second.
Hi, welcome back to the channel. Our beautiful... I was gonna do the whole Namua thing.
Yes.
But I'm like not...
Don't come for his brand.
I'm not even gonna do that. That's too much work. So hi, welcome. I hope you don't mind that I don't have a light behind me this time because I'm redoing my internet and so it's setting itself up and so my lights don't work. Today we have Kayla as our first guest on the channel. Oh my god, yay!
Thanks for having me.
And so today we've got a very nice, amazing PR package. Just kidding, it's not PR, I paid for it.
Drum roll.
Ba-da-da-da!
Just show your address.
It's too quick, can't see. So we have the Jeffree Star, the mid-tier mystery box, but it was a lot smaller than I anticipated, so we'll see if it's actually
Tea.
So if there's only 4 items, we're gonna have to
get an email.
We're gonna have to call customer service. So, are you ready?
Without further ado.
Other than the new lipstick, it's lipstick, right?
Yeah, I think
Other
so.
than the new lipstick, what are we expecting it to be?
Well, the only thing we know is that the lipstick is not going to be yellow. That's his only claim about this whole thing.
But what if it actually is?
I think that'd be really funny, actually. Because you hate yellow.
I hate yellow. I mean...
I'd be living.
So,
yeah.
we're opening this up.
Oh,
ready,
man.
ready, ready?
Ooh.
Packaging. Is this... I feel like this
Fun.
is 4 items.
I think it is. Yep.
Are any of these the question mark? Let me show you. At Sorry.
It's okay.
At Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Tea.
Still have his reusable straws though, because we stand.
I stand, obviously. So we're gonna do an unboxing video anyway, because that's what we got. That's what I got planned. So first up, we have Liquid Peach Liquid Frost, which liquid highlight. Oh, I don't want to rip it all open.
Casual.
What if I accidentally did order the small box? I don't think I would do that.
I don't know.
And then here comes the struggle part where I can't get it out.
It's so awkward. Just jump cut to being opened.
Ooh,
Ooh.
So this is not from the most recent. Obviously, I'm not going to try it out just yet because my face isn't done and I look disgusting as frick.
It's been a long day.
It has been, but we got our nails done. There's another story behind that. Look at this. I am bleeding. I was bleeding the house down. You can't.
Yes, that worked.
Okay.
I was bleeding as well, but it's okay. You know what?
So, next up is we got a pop socket as the mystery item. A nice orange Jeffree Star cosmetic. And then we have a gargoyle. Is this gray? I would assume it's gray.
Fun. What is that?
It's a stick.
Very fun.
It's a stick. I feel like I should say. I spent money.
You've given so much money to Jeffree.
In the last like
I know.
month and a half. Ooh, it's kind of cool.
Ooh, this packaging is literally killing it.
It's okay.
Everything.
I'm like the dumbest person when it comes to opening. Ooh. Hello.
Ooh. That's so unique.
Ow, I just cut on my nose. I don't know my nose. No.
Can you give the people a close-up?
Oh yeah, here. It's a nice pretty gray and with my little spotlight in front of it, you can kind of see it a little bit more.
Kind of purpley.
We'll do a full face review later. So we'll have an unboxing video as well as a test the unboxing video.
Ooh, first impressions, yeah.
Yeah, on stuff that I knew I would never buy, but. So then up next is the Velour liquid lipstick. And this is in the color Karma.
Compilation of you struggling for 4 minutes. Got it. Let's see. We both got nails done. It's alright.
My nails are hell sharp.
Okay.
Ooh. Wait, that's just the packaging. That's not actually the lip. I was like,
yes.
Oh, it's so.
Oh, what? I don't know how to do this. Look out. It looks kind of green.
I think it's supposed to be green. What was it called again?
Karma?
Okay, this is a color that I probably will never wear.
He said no yellow. He didn't say anything about green.
Well, no, because this has been released before.
Oh,
I'm pretty sure. It's nothing to do with the new stuff.
Okay.
Oh, wait.
Ooh, that's the mystery one.
Wait.
That's the question mark. It hasn't been named yet. It's a question mark.
Okay, I can do it. I can do this. I can do this.
Yes, we believe in you.
I can't do it.
Ooh, it's kind of watermelon-y.
Okay. Oh my gosh, is it his bubblegum pink Pantone thingy thing, the cotton candy color?
Oh, it might be. That would be so funny. The color of his floors.
Has he done something like that before?
You gonna edit this and make it.
Yeah,
there we go.
I'll make it faster.
Make it less awkward of us struggling. How does this work? Right? We don't know. Oh.
Is it just like an extra?
Oh, maybe. Oh, is it a dropper?
Wait.
I'm confused.
Oh, I get it.
I don't.
So you know how like the old-fashioned medicines, you would do the little squeegee syringe. That's basically what this is. So you do the little thing,
Gotcha.
and then you take it out.
Ah, there it is.
I think. Yes.
Sure. Yes. Good theory.
We'll figure it out later.
Yeah.
In conclusion, we've got this liquid frost. I'm not even gonna try to focus. We've got the question mark.
It's okay. The packaging's cute. Makes
Doesn't smell like anything.
And we had the questionable green Karma liquid lipstick.
Karma isn't my favorite, but you know what? The pop socket is where it's at. The this is where it's at.
Yes.
We have. So what are your thoughts?
I mean, I'm surprised that it's mostly lipstick, to be honest. But
and a liquid.
That's true.
Highlight.
And a pop socket.
I did think it was. I didn't know what I was expecting. I kind of hoped there was like a highlight or something.
Right.
But you know what? I live.
It's alright. You know what? The mystery is like half the fun.
We will use these at some point. Okay,
more videos on this.
So I don't know if you noticed, but we started back here.
Oh, we just slowly.
We're like right here now. Hi. How are you?
How are you?
Although I kind of hope that there's gonna be a mirror.
I was thinking that. I think a mirror or a palette, like one or both.
Or
yes.
Both. All three.
Oh my gosh.
Mirror palette sweatshirt.
Yes.
Stan.
I love it.
Okay. Well. Thanks for watching this hot mess of a video.
Man,
just like every other video that's gonna be on this channel.
Just us.
Welcome to Makeup with me, the least knowledgeable person for makeup. Side note, I got offered a job in a sales management position at Ulta, and I'm like, homegirl, I do not know anything about makeup. I was like,
it was nice of them to ask anyway.
I know, I was like, thank you for thinking of me for your management position. That's the team.
Yeah.
So thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Like, favorite, comment, and share. Comment what your thoughts are on the Jeffree Star. What did you get in your box? I can keep rambling and rambling and rambling.
Let's go.
I mean, we're only at 12 minutes and 30 seconds, so this video is probably going to be cut down to like 8 minutes.
Half of that's just us opening boxes. Okay.
Okay. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye. Just have it going. Is it all of them shake well, or is it just that one?
I think just the liquid. This is pretty.
Shake well before use. Well, I don't want to waste this.
Yeah. Swatch isn't wasteful.
I'm like, okay, so here's the velour. Here's whatever it's called. Is this how you do it?
Karma?
Karma? Is this how you do a little swatch test?
Is that how the YouTubers do it? It's super dark.
First impressions. We're gonna try them. I feel like I'm gonna look like Shigo.
It kind of looks scary.
Here's the first. Never done this before. Like legit, never done this. How do you even do it? Ew, I look disgusting. I look like a potato. This look.
Just sticking here.
I look like a freaking potato.
Yeah, just go for it.
It's so weird not actually using a mirror. Jeffree, I need a mirror.
Send him one. Oh my gosh. That's really green. I can't.
I look like a potato.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, I need a refill.
Did it dry? Here. I can't.
Ah!
Oh my gosh. It just keeps getting worse. Oh no.
And it's now honestly, it's user error. There's nothing wrong with the product itself. It's 1000% user error.
Do you ever envision yourself wearing this under any circumstance?
If I was dressing up as Shigo.
Okay.
It's a Shigo look.
Yeah, for sure. Wow. Runs.
Thank you, Jeffree, for blessing me with this look.
Blessed him with these green lips.
I think you needed a burp and hiccup all at once.
Just all
Oh,
happened.
I'm not gonna do that.
Straw.
Shigo, 1000%. Okay, we're officially done here.
This is going
too far. Bye!